It's Vlogmas. Hey guys, I am Courtney B and welcome to another Vlogmas video. In today's video, I am going to be doing a DIY project. You guys know I love DIY projects, so since it is almost Christmas, I decided I wanted to build a Christmas tree box. This year, I do not want to do the traditional Christmas tree skirt, so I am just gonna go ahead and build a box for my tree, and I am gonna customize it and personalize it a little bit more, but I wanted to go ahead and get started on building the box. So I got this one all finished and I wanted to show you guys how it looks. So it was pretty simple, but this is how it looks. And I just wanted to do it in the same style as I did my window seat bench. So just like the little frame style over there. So yeah, I think it looks really good. And I did also want to let you guys know that I had my husband purchase all of the wood from Lowe's, and he went ahead and he pre-cut it for me. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and build the other ones off camera, and then I will come back when it's time to stain. Okay, so I have it all stained and I want to show you guys how it looks. I did go ahead and use the exact same stain that I used for my DIY shelf. So it's the espresso color, and I just wanted dark wood stain. So yeah, I think it's gonna look really good. But I am gonna go ahead and build my little stencil that I want for it with my Cricut. So yeah, I will come back when it's time to put everything together once I get my stencil all put on. the box is all done, and I do want to show you guys how it looks, but I want to give you guys a disclaimer. I did not fluff my tree out yet. I am gonna wait until I get ready to put the ornaments on before I fluff it out, but I do want to go ahead and show you guys the box. And I decided to do a dark stain on it, and I think the dark stain came out really good. I think that I do love the box way more than the traditional tree skirt. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think. I did have a bit of trouble trying to get the decal on, but it took a little bit of work, and I finally got it to stick to the box, and I think it came out really good. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I never would.